Are you interested in winning these $700 Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks? All you gotta do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, Resjuvenator, and comment down below your favorite Travis Scott sneaker of all time. We'll be running this giveaway for the entire month of May. Good luck, everybody. Let's go. What up? I'm here at Detroit SNEAKERCON. This is the place to buy some shoes. I'm actually looking for some beige shoes for Justin Timberlake. And as always, I'm looking for restoration for the channel. Let's see what we can find. Got any stuff you're looking to restore?
Do I have stuff that I'm looking to restore?
The last pair I did for you was a while back on those 180 Kanye's and stuff.
Yeah,
that was a minute ago.
I do have some stuff that's older that is like borderline going to crumble, and the second they crumble, I'm reaching out to you.
Whatever you need, dude. You got my number. Same here, bro. Take care. You too, man. What up, David?
What's going on with you now?
Hey, bro, how much are you asking for these?
Let me go 110.
110?
Yeah, 110.
Dude.
What you think?
Not 110.
Not 110?
What about 60 bucks?
I'll take 60.
You can do 60?
I'll do 60.
Hell yeah, my dude, I appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
I'll shout you out in the video too, my dude.
Yes, sir.
This will work. Yeah, I'm thinking about putting a Jordan 1 sole on these, you know?
Oh, is that what you're gonna do?
Yeah, so make them look like there's a retro, I think there's a prototype like that. So we'll see, man. I'll shout you out in the video, though.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate you, bro. Thank you
Yes,
again,
sir.
man.
Look me up, man.
Absolutely, man.
Resoles.
What do you want me to shout you out on?
Resoles 247 on Instagram.
Sounds good, bro. I appreciate
Yes,
you
sir.
again, man. Thank
yes,
you.
Yes, sir. I get with you.
Appreciate you.
It's great to meet you, too. I ain't gonna lie, watch you for a minute.
Oh, that's what's up, man. Appreciate the hookup, too, bro.
All right, bro.
Right here? I need both shoes. Thank you, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yo, so these are Stone Cold Jordan 1s, one of ones. Check these out.
And then how long do these take to make?
These are like about 30 hours worth of work. I put new swooshes on them, paint job on the back, new tongue tags with the Austin 316 and that Texas rattlesnake. On the inside, you got some denim insoles, kind of hard to see.
Okay.
You got to get that touch from Stone Cold, you know?
And then what's the value on these?
Shoot, man, at least $1,500 to $2,000 at least.
I like this right here.
Yeah, the barbed wire. You got the BMF, SOB on the sides, middle fingers on the inside.
Appreciate it. That's fire.
Of course, man. You got the Fuck Fierce, Stone Cold, middle fingers on the inside. You can check out the chrome. You got the skulls as well.
Sheesh.
Video goes up on Monday showing how I made them from beginning to end.
You made those?
From scratch.
Oh my God. Oh shit, that's even better. I thought it was like some Nike collab shit.
Nah, bro, these are one of one. So I made these on the channel, on our YouTube channel. So on Resjuvenator on Monday, the full video comes out. Check out the video on Monday, bro. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being dope.
I appreciate that. This table got some good stuff right here. We got the unreleased Black J Balvin 3s. I love that shoe. It's a clean shoe. I really hope they release it. They're asking for 1.1K. Not bad. They also got some Travis Scotts over there. At first, I thought they were signed by Travis Scott himself, but Travis Scott's signature is a lot more minimal than that. I asked the owner, that's actually Rick Ross. Close. We got a bunch of Swarovskis. These are nice. I'm not gonna touch them. There's a Goku on top. That's a beautiful shoe. That's a holy grail, probably under this whole table. More Swarovskis, Chunky Dunks, Travis's. The Manila Forest, that's a beautiful shoe. The Stingray on them, beautiful. Same thing with the material on the tabs, the suede, the material on the tongue, I believe is ostrich, the color of the soles. That's a beautiful sneaker right there. What up, dude? How much are you selling the Craft 3s for?
I'm saying 180, bro.
Can you do 175?
Man. For you, probably 175.
175. I need a 10 and a half. Does that work?
Yeah, you got my last one.
All right, that's what's up.
Yeah, bro.
You take Apple Cash, Apple Pay?
Yeah,
Word. Word. Check them out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These work.
Yeah, so you ain't gonna find anywhere else. For real.
All right, my guy, appreciate you.
For sure, man.
All right, so this is for the Justin Timberlake custom. We're gonna be doing 2 customs for JT here pretty soon. I'm looking for a pair of Devin Bookers in a size 11. We got one of them down. Let's keep looking. What are you guys asking for these?
We got it for like 100.
What's the best price you could do on them?
That's that guy right there. Reese.
What's the best price you could do on these? You do 60? 80? 80 sounds solid. Where's the other shoe? Can I see it? Damn, I'm getting taxed for 80 bucks, but this is a good project. 80 bucks. Thanks, man.
You're gonna bring them back to life, ain't you?
Check out the video.
You got tag me in it.
I will. All right, I got you, bro. Thank you. I should have not paid 80 bucks for these. These are a $40 shoe.
Got him! Got him!
I used to literally watch all your videos.
Hey, man, get back to it, bro.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate you, man. What up, bro?
What's up, bro?
What are you asking for the 5s?
40,
What about the 13s?
30. OG box.
I haven't done a pair of 13s in a while.
10 and 11 and a half.
Just take 20?
Sure.
All right, I could do 20.
I'll do 20.
There you go, my dude. What's your name?
It's Kicks for Low.
Kicks Flow. I appreciate you.
Appreciate you, bro.
All right, man.
You are one of the reasons why I'm here today. I gotta literally say that.
Bro.
If it wasn't for him, you, flipping kicks, I really
Flipping
appreciate
Kicks, my
you.
boy Alex. I
I
appreciate
really-
that, man.
I thank you for all the years.
What's your name, bro?
Stan.
Stan, what do you
Yes.
do, man? You work on shoes and
Yes,
stuff?
sir.
Sneaker detailing
Yes.
and restorations.
Yes.
Jeez, let me look that up. So one of my favorite things about SNEAKERCON, getting to check out people that do what I do.
Brother. This is like one of the highlights of my life right now.
Right. Souls, hell yeah, dude. This one right here, right?
Yes.
There you go. TJ's. Hey, so the reglues are clean, bro.
I appreciate it, man.
That's the
I
biggest
really-
thing, man. You know, like anybody can do a cleaning, which is dope, you know, but a glue job, man.
I'm trying. He was flipping kicks went live last night, and he said he might be hosting a class in Atlanta, hopefully like
With-
June or something.
Yeah, dude. Alex taught me a lot, so I'm subscribed to his Patreon as well, you know.
Oh, I'm already in the Patreon.
100%, you know.
I'm already
His
there.
knowledge is there, you know. Even I learn a lot of stuff every day from the guy, so that's what's up, man. I appreciate
I can't
you.
believe I finally met you. I cannot-
Man, these are trash. I have not seen another beat off-white like this. Crazy. What's the asking price on these? Could you do 100 bucks? They're destroyed.
I got the box for you, man. Do like 120.
120? All right, I could do 120. Yeah, I do 120. All right. It's the boss man behind the camera. $120. Thank you so much.
I just did those, man. Did those. See, look how I watched the video.
Clean, man, clean, bro. That's what's up, man. I appreciate that. Nice to meet you, man.
Keep doing it, man. I love your
Thank you so
products.
much, man.
I use all the Rejuvenator all day
Thank you
long.
so much, man. Appreciate that. All the support means a lot.
All the laundry stuff, the laundry.
Listen, dude, if you weren't watching the videos or buying the product, I don't have a job. So thank you so much.
Thank you, man.
See you guys. So those are 100. These are 100 bucks too?
These are 120, and then these are 100.
Okay.
We got this little game
What's the game?
behind the bucket. You get 4 shots. It goes in, 10% off. You get 4 shots, and you can stack them if they go in. So somebody's already gotten something like 30% off.
No shit. Yeah, I'm in right now. Let me look around. Let me see what I want first. All right, which ones am I getting? Sweet Mary, Sweet Virgin Mary. Or Jesus Christ. They're both kind of hard. Yeah, I think I'll take these in a size 9.
I really appreciate that. You
Yeah,
wanna try
man.
them on?
Yeah, I'll try them on. I wanted the 3s. Absolutely, man. Thank you so much.
Are you going to be in Boston?
Nah, bro. I don't come to some of the shows, not all of them. And I'll see you around on Instagram. Keep killing it.
I go Boy King 2K Avenue. Watch, I pass out thousands.
You a rapper?
I pass out fans. Watch it. Open for that ball. Watch it. Don't blink. Watch it. Here. Here. Watch it. Hey, me. Oh, ain't nothing that shit. 6,000 right here. Right at you. Got this.
Oh, hell no. Don't touch it.
Hold on. If it's you, you lose.
This is 2,000. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you.
that? Who's next? That's what's up. You gotta trust the process. Shout out to Dad. That's Dad? Dad, shout out to you. I don't know how long you could have did that, man. I don't know how long you could have did that. Hey, listen, man. What's your name, man? Luke. I want Luke to win the whole table. This guy's adorable. Jesus Christ. 26. Wow, we get a rejuvenator kid. That's what's up. Here you go, man. Hey, Luke. Wait, Luke. I'll give you a t-shirt too, Luke. There you go.
That is a brick. That is another brick. Oh shit. We're in Detroit. Obviously, you guys are Lions fans.
Let's get loud, y'all.
Want somebody to rock some Lions.
Come on.
All right, right here in the middle. He's rocking some Lions gear. I want him up here.
All right, step on up. Go.
Go! Took a break from walking around to help host the first ever Rejuvenator sneaker cleaning battle at SNEAKERCON. This was a ton of fun. We did 3 rounds with the winners from the first 2 rounds, competing head to head in the finals. Everyone started on an even playing field with a dirty shoe, our 3 brushes, water and solution, and 3 minutes to have the cleanest sneaker. The crowd was super supportive and we gave away a ton of Rejuvenator products, including our newest product, the Rejuvenator Power Pads. This was definitely a highlight of my day, and I hope we can do more of these in future SNEAKERCons.
Thank you so much.
We just finished the cleaning battle. Originally, we were gonna put these shoes inside the charity box. However, I think we can trade these 2 pairs for at least 6 or 7 pairs. Let's see what we can do. What up, David? What up, bro? How you doing, man? Yo, quick question, man. So, I got these 2 pairs of shoes. We want to give them to charity. However, I'm looking for quantity. I'm looking to see if I can trade these 2 pairs for at least 6 or 7 pairs. You think we could do that?
As long as it's for charity, I got you.
All right, bro, let's figure something out.
Sir. I just picked some stuff out.
Yeah, dude, I'm looking for like 6 or 7 pairs. I'm looking for quantity, you know? That's good right there.
I've seen your work. It's very nice.
Appreciate that, bro. Thank you. That's a good pair right there. Yeah, yeah. It's 2 pairs.
It's charity.
Yeah, dude, that's great, man. 3 pairs. I appreciate you, man.
No problem, no problem.
That works. There's a lot of kids in the Philippines, man. They're gonna wear all these shoes. Take those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 pairs. Can you do 1 more pair by chance? All right.
These are brand new.
Bro, that's perfect, man. Thanks so much. I'll bring you some Rejuvenator product too for hooking me up, dude. Thank you so much, bro.
Rejuvenator product. Hey, yes sir. That's my man.
Hey, you guys just helped out a bunch of kids in the Philippines, man. Thank you guys so much. That's what's up. Hey, thank you so much, bro.
You that sweet man. Come on, man.
I should have asked for a bag, but it might have been asking for too much. All right, so I'm here with the OG Jumpman Boss. Nick, how you doing, man?
Yes, sir. I'm good. How you been doing?
Good, man. It's been
good
a long time,
you.
bro.
Yes,
Same
sir.
here, bro.
Welcome to the city.
Oh, man, I appreciate that. Detroit's awesome.
No doubt.
So real quick, man, I know you're into wrestling. I brought these customs because I wanted to show them to you.
Oh, great.
You know, I want to get your reaction. So I just knocked these out yesterday before I got on the plane over here. I want you to see what you think of them.
These are cold.
Like them?
Yes.
Austin 316.
Hell
The
yeah.
other one says a hell yeah. The other one says.
Austin. These are cold.
Who's your favorite wrestler?
Roman Reigns.
That's the man right there.
Roman Reigns is my guy.
Roman Reigns is.
Yes.
Gangster.
And you know, my son is a big Roman Reigns fan, and he got an autographed picture from him. Long story short, we were at Hell in a Cell when it was
That's
here
so
at Little
sick.
Caesars Arena.
That's so
So
sick.
Roman is my guy, but these are cold.
Yeah, I'm big on the Attitude Era, so I had to do Stone Cold. It was between him and The Rock.
Yeah,
So,
I love this touch.
You got the middle fingers
Yep.
on the leather. You got some skulls imprinted on the material. All of that stuff's hand painted.
I like
Added
that
some
word.
tongue tags. Obviously, Stone Cold is Mr. Jorts. You know, he likes to wear his denim shorts.
Mhm.
So on the inside, you got to incorporate the denim. And it
Oh,
has one of his
sweet.
lines. And that's the bottom line. 'Cause
Yeah.
Stone Cold said so. Other
Man, you
side,
killed these.
100% whoop ass.
You killed these.
Thanks, dude.
These are dope.
Only reason I brought him because I know it's going to your city. The man likes
Yeah.
wrestling. I was like, I got to bring these to show him.
Yes. This is dope.
Appreciate you, man.
I gotta hit you up
Hey, dude,
for
whatever
a
you need.
custom myself.
Whatever you need, man.
I need an 8, but I want it in my high school colors,
Whatever,
white and purple. So
I
we
got you, man. Dude, you're OG, bro.
We gonna
I
work.
I don't do work for everybody, but
Yeah.
your man Boss Stick all day long.
I like these.
Thanks, my dude. I'll let you
These
get
are dope.
going.
Yes, sir. Good
Appreciate
seeing you again.
Same here, man. I'll see you
We'll be
around.
in touch.
Appreciate
Sure.
you.
My
Thanks,
man. Yep.
All right, guys. 7 o'clock. SNEAKERCON is officially done. I am pooped. I bought the shoes for Justin Timberlake. Bought a bunch of shoes for restorations. Bought some tees for myself. We also got 30 pairs of shoes for the Heart and Soul cause. All of those shoes are going to the Philippines after we clean them up. This cause is still going on. If you guys have shoes that you want to send our way, reach out, we'll make it happen. Even though I found a lot of good restorations, I'm still looking for some unique beat stuff that I never worked on before. Drop a comment down below on what you want to see me do next, and if I pick that comment, I'll send you a Rejuvenator signature kit. Gotta get out of here. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys.